Vocabulary for love and relationships. Let's go. Crush, crush. I think I have a crush on my best friend. I think I have a crush on my best friend. Attraction, attraction. There was an instant attraction between them. There was an instant attraction between them. Chemistry, chemistry. You can feel the chemistry when they talk. You can feel the chemistry when they talk. Flirts, flirts. He always tries to flirt with her at parties. He always tries to flirt with her at parties. Compliment, compliment. She smiled when he gave her a compliment. She smiled when he gave her a compliment. Go on a date, go on a date. They went on their first date last weekend. They went on their first date last weekend. Fall in love, fall in love. They fall in love during summer vacation. They fall in love during summer vacation. Loved at first sight. Love at first sight. Do you believe in love at first sight? Do you believe in love at first sight? Soulmate, soulmate. She truly believes he's her soulmate. She truly believes he's her soulmate. Get engaged, get engaged. They got engaged after 2 years of dating. They got engaged after 2 years of dating. Engagement ring, engagement ring. He surprised her with a beautiful engagement ring. He surprised her with a beautiful engagement ring. Marriage, marriage. Marriage is all about understanding and trust. Marriage is all about understanding and trust. Honeymoon, honeymoon. They spend their honeymoon in Italy. They spend their honeymoon in Italy. Couple, couple. That couple looks so happy together. That couple looks so happy together. Relationship, relationship. A healthy relationship is built on honesty. A healthy relationship is built on honesty. Break up, break up. They decide to break up after many arguments. They decide to break up after many arguments. Heartbroken, heartbroken. He was heartbroken after the breakup. He was heartbroken after the breakup. Move on, move on. It's time to move on and start a new chapter. It's time to move on and start a new chapter. Make up, make up. They had a flight, but later they made up. They had a flight, but later they made up. Trust, trust. Trust is the foundation of every relationship. Trust is the foundation of every relationship. Loyal, loyal. She's very loyal and caring partner. She's very loyal and caring partner. Jealous, jealous. He got jealous when she talked to another guy. He got jealous when she talked to another guy. Romantic, romantic. He planned a romantic dinner for her birthday. He planned a romantic dinner for her birthday. Affection, affection. Small acts of affection mean a lot. Small acts of affection mean a lot. Hold hands, hold hands. They walked by the beach holding hands. They walked by the beach holding hands. Kiss, kiss. He gave her a quick kiss on the cheek. He gave her a quick kiss on the cheek. Argue, argue. It's normal for couples to argue sometimes. It's normal for couples to argue sometimes. Forgive, forgive. She decided to forgive him and start over. She decided to forgive him and start over. Supports, supports. A good partner always supports your dreams. A good partner always supports your dreams. Forever, forever. He promised to love her forever. He promised to love her forever. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.